Big Bear versus Lake Arrowhead. Which one is better for investors? If you are thinking about investing in a short-term rental in Southern California, two names will always come up: Big Bear and Lake Arrowhead. Both of them are stunning mountain destinations, both attract tourists, and both have Airbnb potential. But which one is actually better for investors? I have worked in both markets, and today we're going to break it all down. Rental income, appreciation, occupancy rates, expenses, regulations, and the pros and cons of each. By the end of this video, you are going to know which one is the right investment for you. First, let's set the scene. Big Bear. Big Bear is a year-round destination with skiing, lake activities, and hiking. One of the top short-term rental markets in California with a steady flow of visitors. More established Airbnb market with strong demand. And then we have Lake Arrowhead. Lake Arrowhead is a more exclusive private lake town with fewer tourists. No public access. The access is for homeowners that get lake rights. They don't have as much winter tourism, but a popular retreat for secondary homeowners. At first glance, Big Bear looks like the better investment, simply because it attracts more visitors year-round. But let's break it down a little bit further. Number one, rental income and occupancy rates. If you are investing in short-term rental, the first question is usually, how much money can I actually make? Big Bear. Higher occupancy rates year-round thanks to both winter and summer attractions. There's a large demand for ski rentals in the wintertime and lake cabins in the summertime. A good STR property here can easily gross between $60,000 and $100,000 a year. Lake Arrowhead, more seasonal demand with peak months being summer and fall. Winter bookings are slower since there's no ski resort like Big Bear. Many properties earn less than the Big Bear STRs because of their lower occupancy. So who's the winner here? Big Bear. More visitors equals more bookings equals higher income potential. Number two, property prices and appreciation. Buying low and selling high is every investor's goal. So which market gives you the better bang for your buck? We have Big Bear. More diverse pricing, cabins ranging from $300,000 to $2 million. Stronger appreciation over the past few years thanks to increased STR interest. It still has affordable options compared to most SoCal real estate markets. Then we have Lake Arrowhead. Median home prices appreciation has been steady but slower than Big Bear because fewer homes are STRs there. More secondary homeowners than investors, which impacts resale value. Who's the winner here? Big Bear. You can still find affordable homes and benefit from stronger appreciation. Number three, short-term rental regulations. Now let's talk about the rules because nothing kills an investment faster than bad STR laws. First up, we have Big Bear. STR friendly with permits required. The city has enforced occupancy limits, but you can still legally operate if you follow the rules. Active Airbnb community. Local laws are pro-investor, for now at least. Then we have Lake Arrowhead. Much stricter STR regulations. Some areas have bans on it or caps on new permits. Some HOAs completely prohibit short-term rentals. With lake rights, you're often in a stricter HOA community, making it harder to operate an Airbnb. So who's the winner here? Big Bear. STR laws are still manageable while Lake Arrowhead has more restrictions and risks. Number four, operating costs and expenses. The key to real profit isn't just how much you make, it's how much you keep. First up, Big Bear. Lower property taxes than many California cities. STR fees exist, but they're reasonable for a high-performing Airbnb market. Snow removal is an added cost in winter. And then we have Lake Arrowhead. Their HOA fees can be high, especially in communities with lake access. Higher utility costs and property taxes in some areas. Less rental income potential makes these expenses harder to justify. Who's the winner here? Big Bear. Lower fees, lower HOAs, and better rental income makes it a more profitable market. Number five, lake access and tourism. Tourists want lake access, but here's the catch. Lake Arrowhead's lake is private. First up, Big Bear. The lake is public, so any visitor can enjoy it. Popular for boating, fishing, and summer activities. More year-round attractions equals more tourists. Then we have Lake Arrowhead. Lake access is private, which is a huge selling point for secondary homeowners, but not great for short-term renters. Tourists are limited to other nearby hiking areas and small villages. The lake draws a higher-end buyer, but not necessarily more guests. Who's the winner here? Big Bear. More tourism, public lake access, and year-round activities make it the clear choice for investors. Number 6, community and neighborhood feel. While investors think numbers first, you also have to consider what kind of guests will stay in your property. First up, we have Big Bear. More of a vacation town with families, snowboarders, and outdoor adventurers. Some areas are quieter, but you'll see a mix of residents and Airbnb properties. If you don't like tourists, this might not be the right investment. Then we have Lake Arrowhead, more of a private secondary homeowner vibe. STRs exist, but are not as widely accepted. Many neighborhoods prefer a quiet residential feel. Who's the winner here? It depends. If you want a pure investment property, Big Bear wins. If you want a quieter second home with some rental income, Lake Arrowhead might work better. So which is better for investors? If you're looking for strong cash flow, high occupancy, and short-term rental income, Big Bear is the clear winner. They have more tourists year-round, higher STR earning potential, easier STR laws and fewer restrictions, more affordable homes, and stronger appreciation. That said, if you are more interested in owning a vacation home that occasionally rents out, Lake Arrowhead might work for you. Just know that the rental income won't be as strong and regulations are tighter. Now that you've got all the facts, which one sounds like a better fit for you? Big Bear or Lake Arrowhead? Drop a comment below. If you are thinking about buying an Airbnb, I would love to help. Let's connect and find the perfect investment property for you. And if this video was helpful, please like, subscribe, and check out my Airbnb investing playlist for more real estate tips. Again, I'm Rachel Smith with RE/MAX and Big Bear. Talk to you soon. Bye.